Headache is a common problem, but if somebody is suffering from unbearable severe headache, seek medical consultation because there can be complications. In the case of a child, if he has been injured, his running temperature, give arnica 30 in case of a headache. Headaches which come from exposure to dry cold winds, in which there is fever, a burning sensation, require aconite 30. If a headache is caused by indigestion, what a patient needs is Entim crude 200, while headache in half of the head, headache due to emotional upset, where the eyes feel enlarged, which is better on tight bandage or pressure, Argentine nitricum 200 is of help. Carotids are throbbing, the face is flushed, there is pain in the temples, the headache has been caused by exposure to sunlight. There is neuralgic headache on exposure to cold air, congestion caused by suppressed catarrh leads to headache. In such cases, belladonna 200 gives immense relief. The frontal splitting headache, worse on motion, early morning, requires bryonia 200. There is pain in the frontal sinuses, the nose is running. Headaches caused by debility, weakness, caused by outflow of liquids from the body, require China 200. Basically, headache itself is a symptom, it is not a sickness, but the medicine has to be given according to the symptoms, or if the causes are known, as in the case of tension headaches. Tension headaches require gelsemium 200. There is a feeling of a band tightening around the skull. There is muscular soreness of neck, shoulders. The patient is suffering from influenza or bad cold. Gelsemium is of great help. If the headache is a result of a sunstroke or a heat stroke, when the skull feels too small for the brain, when there is a continuous hammering, we give Glonoine, GLONOINE 200. People can be hysterical, they develop headache following grief or anger. Give Ignatia, IGNATIA 200. And in cases where the headache comes with nausea, when there is crushing pain in the skull extending to the teeth and the tongue, Ipecac 200 is of great help. In cases of chronic cold where the mucus is going down the throat, where the pain comes in bones over the eyebrows, pain settles in a small spot, pain in the eyeballs, a sinus headache, Kali Bichrome 200 works wonders, and the effect is visible in a short time. Chronic headaches from sunrise to sunset with nausea, with numbness, tingling in nose, lips and tongue. Menstrual headaches. Headaches which are blinding, where the patient feels as if 1,000 little hammers were knocking at the brain, are relieved by Natrum Mur, Natrum Mur 200. And who does not know of the headaches which come as a result of drinking? We call them hangover headaches. In such cases, there is sometimes constipation, sometimes there are hemorrhoids also, piles. Give Nux Vomica 200 for great relief. If a person has been indulging in heavy food, whether of fruit or fats, or a headache has come during menstruation, Pulsatilla 30 is of help. When the headache is due to eye strain, heavy drinking, Ruta 200 is of great help. For half headache in women at any time on menopause, in painful menstruation, pain in the lower back, overtired housewife, prolapse of vagina and uterus, give Sepia 200. The medicines have to be taken 4 times a day, dry on the tongue, with a gap of 30 minutes before and after for taking any liquid or any meals. I wish you the best. You are welcome to these free videos in the service of homeopathy.